Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to enable or disable cookies in Safari on Mac. So first of all, let's navigate and open the Safari browser on your Mac. Once Safari is open, move to the top left corner and click on Safari from the menu bar. From this drop-down menu, click on Settings. A new settings panel will appear on your screen where you need to find and open the Advanced section. Inside the Advanced section, look for the option called Block All Cookies. As you can see, if this option is already checkmarked, it means cookies are disabled, and Safari is not storing cookies from websites in your browser. But if you want to enable cookies, simply uncheck the box, and cookies will be enabled in your Safari browser. This will allow websites to store cookies again, which can help with faster logins and a more personalized browsing experience. And again, if you want to disable cookies, simply check the box next to Block All Cookies. A confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. Click on Block All to confirm, and that's it. This is how you can enable or disable cookies in Safari on Mac. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.